It's always a pleasure to see markets acting as per the analysis, precisely achieving the levels. And yesterday, again, gold and silver both have achieved the targets on the lower side. 1705, 1770 levels on gold and silver, respectively, has been achieved. And it's been a pleasure to see you all profiting. I hope you all profited. If yes, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Today we will see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators what is can be expected out of gold and silver, whether they are going to bounce back or we can see a further drop. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And yes, the next video on gold will be up before the US cash session along with Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones analysis. Do watch that also. Do press the bell icon. Let's start the day. On the hourly charts, gold trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands almost. It has still some scope for it to drop and take it below 1700. Let's see if it does. Right now on the hourly chart, it is trying to give you a bounce back. See, if you see these candles, it is trying to trade in this, and look at this previous candle. These two candles completely engulfed the previous move. So the next reversal indication is only if you see it trading above 1712 levels. If you see it trading above 1712, you can go long. Then 1715 is the next resistance zone. See, I had talked about these levels multiple times when we were trading above 1730-45 levels in my weekly analysis, daily analysis. Multiple times we have asked about 1715 levels. Now 1715 is the resistance which it should sustain for it to remain bullish. If it trades above 1715, how far it can go? See, the next resistance zone is towards 1718 and 1722. These two levels you should mark out, and then 1725. Three levels you should mark out very nearby, but only above 1712 you can stay long, but you have to keep the stop loss at cost till 1725. Only and only if it trades above 1725, you can expect that we are looking forward to 1735-40 levels if and only if it continues to rise. That is about what we can expect if it trades on the upside. At the same time, below 1704, these are the levels below 1704, you can expect it to drop for 1698 and 1690 levels. It has still some room for it to drop further. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI almost trading at the bottom. This is on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. See on the 2-hour charts. Look at these three candles almost with the flat top out there, and this indicates that 1720 level are now going to be a little hurdle for gold to pass by. If it surpasses this, yes, you can remain bullish, and then you can expect 1715 very nearby, but it is going to be the first resistance, then 1718 and then 1722-25 zone will come into picture. Largely, if you see, only if it sustains above 1725, consider that as reversal on the 2-hour charts, as I have already told on the hourly charts also. This is direction movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI trading oversold and at the bottom here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts again, couple of retracement candles, then a sharp bearish candle, again a retracement candle, and now this is the first red candle after this. Again, as I am saying, only if it trades above 1720 you can go long, then 1715, 18 and then 25 levels should come into picture. Till the time it trades below 1712, possibility exists that it may give you couple or more red candles here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is trading oversold. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, see this. You can see one green candle sandwiched in between two red candles. Now indicates that still the gold is trading bearish here. Yes, it can give you similar size of candle, almost $10. So it can give you a similar size of candle, taking it till towards 1700 levels. Possibility exists. Till the time it is below 1712, yes, you can take shorts at every rise, possibly with the stop loss at 1712 itself. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading oversold here. Now coming to the daily chart, see the candle has taken a shape and it has started with a flat head trying to trade bearish. Look at the previous two candles. The candle size is diminishing here. Indicates that the bearishness is getting diminished here. Once when you see the bearishness getting diminished, look at the size of the candle here. Complete movement is from 1705 till 1725 $20 and 1720 to 1740 $20. So precisely $20 of movement. And if you count $20 from here, 1690 levels can be seen, and then closing at around 1700 levels can be expected. This could be the third red candle, and probably from there a retracement can be expected. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI again trying to enter into oversold zone. Considering this, only buy entry on gold is above 1712, but remember 1715, 1718 till 1725 it can reverse any point of time. You should not consider that as reversal. You should consider that as retracement till it trades below 1725. Once it tries to trade only and only above 1725, you can consider that we may see a little bullishness taking it till towards 1735-40 levels. Now, till the time it trades below 1712, till the time it trades below 1712, first target 1702, then 1698, and then 1691. These three levels you should mark out for. 16, if it trades below 1712, first target 1702, second target 1698, then 1692 levels will come into picture. In fact, it can drop till towards 1680, if not today, then tomorrow. This is what the levels we had shared in my weekly analysis also. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts is trying to create a channel like this. The high is at around 1800. Only long entry I will recommend if you see it trading above 1800 till the time it trades below 1800. Every rise gives you an opportunity to sell silver. Yes, it is oversold, but we will see how far it can go. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see it has created this step, and this is the first sharp drop here. And also if you consider this, that it is trying to trade in this channel, the highs of this channel are somewhere here at around 1790 levels. In between 1790 and 1800 do not trade. In between 1790 and 1800 do not trade. Let it decide which direction it wanna go. Above 1800, yes, you can stay long. Then I will be looking forward to 1815, 1822 zone. This is going to be a strong resistance zone, and then 1840, which is a very strong resistance. I have told you several times. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. So it is trading oversold on the multiple time frames. Now look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, again it has created a good step. It is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It may try to achieve the lows out there. It is trying to trade within this channel. Yes, 1800 should be a good entry for you to stay long above. Till the time it trades below 1800, every rise is a good opportunity to short here. In between 1790 and 1800 do not trade. That is also very, very clear. Directional movement extremely bearish. It may start to converge a little. Stochastic trading oversold, MACD trading divergent and bearish, RSI trading oversold. Oversold on multiple time frame indicates that either it may try to consolidate sideways or it may reverse. Look at the 4-hour charts. Trying to trade in this channel. It can try to go back again till towards 1790, 1795 levels and retrace back from there. On the downside, very strong support at 1770, and once it drops below 1770, we can expect 1760, 1765 level, 1760, 1755 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish. It may start to converge a little before it tries to drop down further. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold on the 4-hour chart. So now coming back to the daily chart, the daily candle has taken a shape, and if you look at the previous 2 candles, this is increasing body size on, and it is red in color, indicates that it is very bearish here, and this candle will decide the fate, and probably see the increasing body size indicates increasing bearishness, and hence this time also either it can give you a sharper red candle taking it till towards 1750 1730 levels. In fact, it can drop to 1720 levels, and below levels are also possible. One sharp drop and silver is done with the movements, and then it may try to trade sideways for a little while on the daily charts. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic extremely oversold, MACD is extremely bearish here, RSI oversold. So see, it has to bounce back, that is for sure. But see, 2 trading sessions left for this week, and probably it may try to take it so deep, so down, such that the bounce back or the retracement where the indicators are considered at a comfortable level can be such that it should not break the upper limit at around 1800 1840, which is a very good resistance zone. It may try to trade, if it is bearish, it may try to trade with a very strong drop in these 2 days. And yes, if it is bullish, it has to surpass the levels of 1800 in today or tomorrow levels itself. Then we will see how far it can go. Again, 1840 levels should come into picture, which is going to be stronger resistance. Today, for the day, it appears it may try to trade bearish, and we can see it achieving lower lows till towards 1750, and then 1730 1700 levels can be expected. Larger moves can be expected, and till the time it trades below 1800, we can remain bearish. In between 1790 and 1800, do not take a position. Above 1800, yes, you can go long. 1820 level is the first target, and then beyond that 1840 is the next target. On the downside, till the time it trades below 1790 and 1795, rather I will say till the time it trades below 1800, you can stay short, and then you can expect it to drop for 1770 1750 and below levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Become a part of my mentorship batch and learn the art of trading profitably. Do not miss this chance. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support is what you get. Or else become a patron and support the effort, or join the next higher tier where you will get me as the consulting partner, and we can discuss anything and everything, and the signals as well. Patreon link is mentioned in the channel and video description. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.